What's up everyone, in this video I'll show you how to make a test order on your Shopify store to see how it goes for your, as if you are a client ordering a product from your store. Now I need to point out that in order to make your store public and make people be able to access or be able to add items to your cart and purchase them, you need to be on a paid plan here on Shopify. This won't work on a trial as I'm in right here. However, I'll still be able to show you the steps. Now, first of all, here I'm on my Shopify store, as you can see, and the very first thing you want to do is to add a bogus or a test payment method. To do so, go to settings and then go here to payments and then add or choose a provider. The very first one is the bogus gateway for testing. Just add it and then activate it. And here you'd be able to simulate an approved transaction or a declined transaction or a gateway failure. And now once you've installed it, go ahead and close it and then view your online store by clicking on the eye next to online store. And here it is, your Shopify store, as if you are a client going to it. Now click on this product. I only added one product for the sake of testing. Click on it and then click on add to cart. Okay, now it's added to cart. Go ahead and check out. And now here they tell you that the checkout isn't available because I'm on the free plan. However, if you're on a paid plan, you could add or view the checkout page here. And in the details or the name and payment methods, just enter like any random name or phone number, or in the case of paying by credit card, for example, you can add any number. For example, for the credit card number, you just add 1 or 2 or any random numbers. It doesn't matter because this is a bogus, we added a bogus payment gateway right here. And you should be able to process or proceed with the payments. And once you're done this, in the orders here, you should see the bogus order that we just made appear here and you can interact with it.